Jafar, this is an outrage. If it weren't for all your years of loyal service, but from now on, you're to discuss sentencing of prisoners with me before they are beheaded.
I assure you, Your Highness, it won't happen again.
Jasmine, Jafar, now let's put this whole messy business behind us. Please.
My most abject and humblest apologies to you as well, Princess.
At least some good will come of my being forced to marry. When I am queen, I will have the power to get rid of you.
There, now, that's nice. All settled then. Now, Jasmine, getting back to this suitor business. Jasmine? Jasmine!
If only I had gotten that lamp.
I will have the power to get rid of you.
Oh, to think we gotta keep kissing up to that chump and his chump daughter for the rest of our lives.
No, Iago. Only until she finds a chump husband. Then she'll have us banished. Or beheaded.
Oh, wait a minute, Jafar. What if you were the chump husband?
What?
Okay, you marry the princess, all right? And you become the sultan.
Marry the shrew. I become the Sultan? The idea has merit.
Yes, merit, yes! And then we drop Papa-in-law and the little woman off a cliff. Yeah! Curse splat!
I love the way your foul little mind works.
Thank you for choosing Magic Carpet for all your travel needs. Don't stand until the rug has come to a complete stop. Thank you. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Well, how about that, Mr. Doubting Mustafa?
Oh, you sure showed me. Now, about my 3 wishes.
Dost mine ears deceive me? 3? You are down by 1, boy!
No, I never actually wished to get out of the cave. You did that on your own.
Well, I feel sheepish.
All right, you bad boy. But no more freebies.
Fair deal? So, 3 wishes. I want them to be good. What would you wish for?
Me? No one's ever asked me that before. Well, in my case, forget it.
What?
No, I can't.
Come on, tell me.
Freedom.
You're a prisoner?
It's all part and parcel the whole genie gig.
Phenomenal cosmic powers!
Itty bitty living space.
Aw, Genie, that's terrible.
But oh, to be free. Not to have to go, what do you need? What do you need? What do you need? To be my own master. Such a thing would be greater than all the magic and all the treasures in all the world. But what am I talking about? Let's get real here. It's not gonna happen. Genie, wake up and smell the hummus.
Why not?
The only way I get out of this is if my master wishes me out. So, you can guess how often that's happened.
I'll do it. I'll set you free.
Uh-huh, yeah, right.
No, really, I promise. After I make my first 2 wishes, I'll use my 3rd wish to set you free.
Well, here's hoping. All right.
Let's make some magic!
So how about it? What is it you want most?
Well, there's this girl.
Ain't wrong!
I can't make anybody fall in love, remember?
Oh, but Genie, she's smart and fun and
Pretty?
beautiful. She's got these eyes that just, and this hair, wow, and her smile.
Ami, c'est l'amour.
But she's the princess. To even have a chance, I'd have to be... Hey, can you make me a prince?
Oh, let's see. Chicken a la king? No. Yeah, that's King Crab. I hate it when I do that. Caesar salad. Et tu, Brute? Nope. Aha. To make a prince. Now, is that an official wish? Say the magic words.
Genie, I wish for you to make me a prince.
All right! Yo, yo, woo, woo, woo. First, that fez and vest combo is much too 3rd century. These patches, what are we trying to say? Beggar? No. Let's work with me here. Ooh, I like it. Muy macho. Now, still need something. What does it say to me? It says mode of transportation. Excuse me, monkey boy. Aquí, over here.
Here he comes, and what better way to make your grand entrance on the streets of Agrabah than riding your very own brand new camel?
Watch out, they spit.
Not enough. Still not enough.
Oh, let's see. What do you need? What do you need?
Yes! Isa la lambo shimindambo!
Whoa! Talk about your trunk space. Check this action out.
Boo, you look good.
He's got the outfit. He's got the elephant. But we're not through yet. Hang on to your turban, kid. We're gonna make you a star.